Finished and done. Actually, let me go ahead and just kind of forgot about this area. Do a little extra. Okay. I bought this pressure washer way long time ago at Home Depot. Then I bought another one off of OfferUp. Both of them DeWalt, both same models. I think the carburetor's going out. I do have a spare carburetor, but then I just kind of like, let me go ahead and mess around with the Harbor Freight Predator engine and see how it goes, just in case, because obviously I don't want to spend another 6-7 bills at Home Depot. That's with warranty, of course, but yeah. So this is probably the cheapest alternative. I think it was like 211 bucks, because I buy the 2-year warranty, obviously, and without the 2-year warranty, I think it's like 149, but you know, the tax and all that stuff, so give or take. So I want to mess around and get I want to get this pressure washer out of here and deassemble the pump, swap it over to that, put it on here, fire up, see how it goes. Today we've been working all day long, and yeah, you can probably tell it's dark, and it's just been constantly shutting down on me. It sounds like it's running out of fuel, but the fuel is there, which that's why I said might be the carburetor. I don't want to mess around with that right now because obviously it's late and I got to continue working tomorrow, because this baby is all ceramic coated. This delivery tomorrow. Okay, we're gonna get to this right now. You are so silly. Hopefully I did everything right. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Moment of truth.
You're washing the van?
No, I'm just gonna test it real quick.
What? Uh-oh.
Alright guys, so we have the finished product. Obviously this is the following day morning. Not really morning because we've been out mobile. So we got quite a bit of drive. I'm not doing the tire dressing yet, so once we deliver it I'll put the tire dressing on there. but everything was coated. These plastics, Cerakote trim coat. Then we got the wheel armor of G-Technic, and then the crystal serum light on the body.
I like your phone.
What?
I like your phone.
Yeah, thank you.
I need to charge you for borrowing it. Rental charge.
Well, what can I say? My wife has expensive stuff than me.
That's the first time. Hey.
I know what you're talking about. You're talking about while you're recording me when I'm taking pictures and you want that picture, isn't it?
No.
Like,
I think like zooms and goes back and then like kind of like. You know,
oh, you mean fast forwards?
yeah, like kind of. It's only Mark got a picture with this car, not even Lucas, huh?
Yep.
She got a picture yesterday.
Yep, she kicked me.
I was recording that.
I'm on vacation. Like
No.
something I don't know. Whatever the song goes. Okay, I'm gonna put. I didn't exit out. Okay, there we go. Okay. Whatever my wife said. I want to say this was probably the funnest coating I ever done, besides the Ferrari. Ferrari was pretty much the same size, I think.
Funnest, but I think it's a little hassle.
Ferrari maybe had more grooves, like rounded grooves. These grooves are like more sharper, you know, like Ferrari
it
kind of like
harder
more
or easier?
smoother. No, I'm just in general. I'm just explaining the wave pattern, or I don't know.
Did you get all up in there too?
Yes, I went all over here. Wow, that's nice, huh? Just work. Bam.
I don't know what I got with this. I'm so sorry. When you focus on one hand.
Sorry guys, I have a very poor production here. It's the wife production.